Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Last class we learned taking care of sense body parts. Today we will learn good touch and bad touch. And last class I given homework for you. Okay, I hope all are done this. Now I show some slides for check your answers. Okay, now go to the slide. Students see the slide carefully. First one, taking care of body parts for senses, building the following plants. Okay, first A question, clean your ears using, the answer is earbuds. The answer is earbuds. Okay, B question, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water every day. Okay, students, check your answer carefully. First question answer is earbuds. Clean your ear using earbuds. B question, drink a lot of water every day. Okay, students, check your answer. Okay, now go to next one. C question. Clean your nose with a dash cloth. You will find the answer, I think. Clean your nose with a soft cloth. Clean your nose with a soft cloth. Next D question. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth and clean your tongue. Clean your tongue. Okay. Next E question. Dash for 9 to 10 hours a day. Dash for 9 to 10 hours a day. Sleep. Okay. Check your answer. Okay. C answer soft. D answer teeth and tongue. E answer sleep. Okay. Now go to the next worksheet. Keeping body parts healthy. Look at the pictures. Write yes for good habit and no for bad habit. Okay. See the first picture. A. Putting your finger in the nose. This is good or bad habit. This is bad habit. So you wrote no. Next B. Having a bath every day. This is good habit. I hope you are all wrote yes. Okay. Now go to next one. Putting pencil in the ear. This is good habit. No, this is bad habit. So you wrote no. Next D. Wearing 30 clothes. So you wrote no. Okay. Students, see the board. Okay students, now go to the topic. Today's topic is good and bad touch. Do you know good and bad touch? Okay, before I share one important thing, private parts of body. Private parts of body. We all have body parts and especially we all have private body parts also. Okay, private body parts are those that no one must touch. Okay, no one else must touch. They are private to us. They are private to us. There are four private parts. There are four private parts. First one is lips. First one is lips. First one is lips. Second one is chest. And third one is between your legs. Between your legs. And fourth one is bottom. These are four private body parts. Once again I repeat it. We all have private body parts. Private body parts are those that no one else must touch. They are private to us. There are four private parts. First one is lips, second one is chest, third one is between your legs, fourth one is bottom. Okay, students, now see the slide. Okay, you get clear idea. Students, see the slide carefully. These are private body parts. They are circled this private body parts. First one they circled lips. This is first one, first private body parts. Lips. Second one chest. Second one is chest. Third one is between your legs. Next one is bottom. Next one is bottom. These are four private body parts. No one must touch. Sorry, no one else must touch, and they are private to us. They are private to us. Okay. Now go to good touch. Students, see the slide. Good touch. Okay. Students, now I look at the topic good touch. Do you know good touch meaning? Good touch means when someone touching you, like close to your parents, friends, or family members, touch you on your body parts, you feel happy. You feel happy. This is good touch. Okay, once again I repeat it. Good touch is when someone touch you, like close to you, your parents, family members, or your friends touch on your body parts. You feel very happy. This is good touch. This is good touch. Okay. Now, so some slides for you. This is expressed good touch. Okay. See the slide. Only your parents can touch your private body parts. Students, once again, remember the four body parts. First one is lips, second one is chest, third one is between your legs, fourth one is bottom. Only your parents can touch your private body parts. Okay, this is good touch. Only your parents can touch your private body parts. You will allow only your parents can touch your private body parts. Okay, students, see the slide carefully. Okay, now go to next one. Doctor can touch your private body parts in front of your mother or father. Okay, doctor can touch your private body parts in front of your father or mother. Suppose you will go to hospital, you only check in front of your father or mother. நீ ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போகும்போது டாக்டர் உன்னை செக் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னா முன்னாடி யார் இருக்கணும்? உங்க அப்பா அல்லது அம்மா இருக்கும். Okay, you will allow the doctor in front of your mother and father to check your body. Okay, doctor can touch your private body parts only allow in front of your father or mother. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now go to next slide. Holding your mother's hand, hugging your mother's, kissing your mother's, and this time you feel very happy. This is also good touch. This is also good touch. Mother also caring our child very especially an extraordinary way. Okay, holding your mother's hands, you feel very happy. You feel very happy. Holding your mother's hand. Grandmother touching your back or head. Grandmother touching your back or head. Grandma always taking care of our granddaughter and grandson also. This is also good touch. Grandmother touching your back or head. This is good. Okay. Students, once again I repeat it. Okay. Good touch means good touch when someone touch you, like close to you, your parents, friends and family members when touch on your body, you feel happy. You feel only happy, that is good touch. Okay. Now shown some slides for you express the good touch. Okay. Now go to next one. Student, see the slide. This is bad touch. Now next go to bad touch. Bad touch when someone touch your private body parts. Note the point. Someone touch your private body parts. You feel angry or sad or confused. This is bad touch. This is bad touch. Okay. Once again I repeat it. When someone touch your private body parts, you feel angry or sad or confused. This is bad touch. This is bad touch. Okay. Now go to the slide. Okay. See the bad touch. Students, see the slide. Bad touch is when someone touches your private parts. Okay, once again, Allah recall the four private parts, four private body parts. Students, all of you remember one time. First one is lips, second one is chest, third one is between your legs, fourth one is bottom. Bad touch is when someone touches your private parts. So they are in this picture easily described about bad touch. They circled in this picture they circled private body parts. Okay. See the slide carefully. It is fully described bad touch. Okay. Once again repeat it. Bad touch is when someone touch your private body parts. You feel sad, angry or confused. Okay. Now go to next slide. Same point also. When someone touches your private parts, you feel sad, angry or confused. Okay, it's clear. Now go to next one. Students, see the slide. Stay safe from bad touch. Stay safe from bad touch. எப்படி வந்து bad touchல இருந்து உன்னைய சேவ் அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து எப்படி நீ நகர்ந்து போறது அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து உன்னை எப்படி காப்பாத்திங்கற பத்தி they given 3 points also. Now I describe about 3 points. Okay, students, see the board. Stay safe from bad touch. Stay safe from bad touch. அந்த bad touch வந்துச்சுனா அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து நீ எப்படி வந்து நகர்ந்து போறது அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து எப்படி ரிலீவ் ஆகணும்ங்கற பத்தி they given 3 points also. First one is shout no. You shout very loudly and clearly no. Okay, first point is shout no and very clearly and loudly. Okay, second point is run away. அந்த இடத்தை விட்டு என்ன பண்ணும் ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடி போயிடும். Run away. Run away. Third one is tell your parents. Third one is tell your parents. உங்க அப்பா அம்மா கிட்ட வந்து நீ அத பத்தி சொல்லணும். Okay, these 3 points also given. Stay safe from bad touch. Once again I repeat it. Shout, first point is shout no very clearly and loudly. Very clearly and loudly. Second point is run away. Second point is run away. Third one is tell your parents. Tell your parents. Okay. Now go to slide. See the slide, students, carefully. Students, see the first slide carefully. Shout loudly no. Suppose யாரோ ஏதோ இடத்துல மாட்டிட்டவனே யாரோ பேட் டச் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அப்படினா நீ அந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணணும் suddenly shout and loudly சத்தமா போட்டு என்ன பண்ணணும் நோன்னு சவுண்ட் போட்டு கத்தணும். Shout loudly no. Okay, remember the first point. Shout loudly no. Okay, now go to next point. Second point is run away and go home. அந்த இடத்த விட்டு என்ன பண்ணிடணும், உடனே ஓடி போயிடணும், உடனே வீட்டுக்கு போயிடணும். அந்த இடத்த விட்டு உடனே ஓடிட்டு வீட்டுக்கு போய் சேர்ந்துடணும். ரன் அவே அண்ட் கோ ஹோம். ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடி நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு போயிடணும். ரன் அவே அண்ட் go home. First point is, students, repeat. First point is shout loudly, no. Shout loudly, no. Second point is run away and go home. Run away and go home. Okay, it's clear. Now go to next point. Next, you tell your parents. Tell your parents. Okay. This is third point. Students, see the slide carefully. Good touch and bad touch. They given two picture. You circle the 4 private parts in these pictures. Okay. You also circle 4 private parts in these pictures. All of you say 4 private parts. So 4 private body parts. First one is lips. First one is lips. Second one is chest. Third one is between your legs. Fourth one is bottom. I given, and now I count 10 and take your worksheet and do this. Worksheet. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, students, now I show another slide. You will check your answer. Okay, once again read it. Once again I read the question. Good touch, bad touch. Circle the 4 private parts in the pictures given below. See the next slide, students. Students, see the slide carefully. They circled 4 private parts. Look at the slide carefully, okay? Take a worksheet book and do this, okay? Okay. Once again, students, I repeat today class, okay? Today topic is good touch and bad touch. Before we learn 4 private body parts, okay? First one is lips, second one is chest, third one is between your legs, fourth one is bottom. We all have 4 we all have private parts also. No, private parts are those who no one else must touch. Okay, they private to us. There are 4 private parts. First one is lips, chest, between your legs and bottom, and good touch. Okay, good touch. Someone touch you like you are close to you. Your parents, family members or friends touch your body, you feel. Okay, you feel happy. This is good habit. Okay, this is good touch. This is good touch. Next, bad touch. Someone touch your private body parts. Okay, remember, someone, no, unknown person, especially unknown person touch your body parts, you feel sad, angry or confused. That is bad touch. Okay, that is bad touch. And I told 3 points to stay safe from bad touch. Stay safe from bad touch. First point is shout clearly and loudly, no. Okay, no. Second point is run away. Third one is tell your parents. Okay, tell your parents. Okay, students, now see the slide. This is your homework. Students, see the slide carefully. First homework. Tell your parents about the 4 private body parts. Tell your parents about the 4 private body parts. Next, read SR5 to SR7. Take your student reader EVS book and read SR5 to 7. Okay? Students, I hope all are understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, students.